How to deactivate Snapchat account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how you can deactivate your Snapchat account. Let's say you need a break from Snapchat for like unspecified amount of time and you want to deactivate your account but can't find the settings yet. So all you have to do is open the profile on the top left. After you get here, there is settings icon on the top right of the screen. Go ahead and press it. After you get here, scroll all the way down until you see account actions. In that, there is an option that says delete account. After you press it, you get to this page. All you have to do is log in with your username and your password. After you're done with that, you get to a new page that says delete account or disabled. For 30 days after you go ahead and reconfirm or re-enter your password, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted. So that is how you can deactivate Snapchat account. Be sure, if you want your account back, be sure to log in before 30 days, otherwise it will be permanently deleted. That is how you can deactivate your Snapchat account. And if you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.